complaining at all. At the same time, I just don't want the plant to die. So we're gonna see how it goes. The problem is that I have not prepped the ground at all. And actually, that's not as bad as I expected it to be. There's so much work that I need to do out here, which I'm excited about because I did so much work on setting up the garden differently in the fall, as far as adding in these foundational plants so that the garden area is more defined. I've added quite a bit of plants to the perimeter, which I'm happy about. Like little red fontina is doing really happy. So happy to see that. Most of the plants that I've added in around the side are either pretty good fast growing shrubs or camellia. I think I should actually count the number of camellia. I'm not sure how many there are, but it's a good amount. Another big project that I need to do at some point in spring is moving some bulbs from that have multiplied a little too much. So my mom gave me a number of things. First, there were some gladiolas that do really, really great, but they multiply like crazy. And then she also got me some irises that I love and have really grossly overpopulated their area. So I need to get those moved. It's actually such a nice day. It's really ridiculous that it's about to snow. Can't the weather just stay nice? Anyways, so I'm actually really looking forward for spring work to get done, or for it to be time to do spring work, because I feel like this is a year that like I really, uh-oh, found some bulbs right here. That's crazy. This is the first year that I feel really good about where the garden is at. I think every year previously has been such a big learning curve, and just like because summer is really the time that I travel the most, but it's like a time that is really difficult to miss when you're in North Carolina because the amount of heat and the amount of care that's required just to like be weeding and you know everything gets out of hand in the summer, especially how this property is like it was never tilled properly, so there's just a lot of weeds, and it's taken a long time, I think, also to get the soil to a place where things can grow well. It was not taken care of previously, so very compacty, a lot of clay, but actually that's not really the hardest part, I think. But let me see if I can get these in here still, like in the middle. But so yeah, it's just got like handfuls of this grass that takes over that I despise. I'm just trying to get the dirt free from it. So I'm gonna replant these bulbs that I found because they can stay here. I'm just gonna move them over and try to cover this plant up so that it has a chance of making it through snow. It's going to rain first. It's supposed to rain all day tomorrow, which I think should be good. So hopefully everything underneath, it'll help keep it from freezing completely. But we shall see. I'm covered in dirt and I'm just out here for a bit. It's so funny. I forgot the bulbs are there. Let's mark that. I killed the. Oh no! I was gonna mark it with a stick, but the stick just broke. Pile of grass. Our new baby is in the ground. So we've got this new camellia planted next to a Greensboro red, which is doing really well. But this is not its time. This one, on the other hand, had blooms on it before the cold came in, which a lot of the camellias are still blooming in the front. Let's see if there's any back here that are. A lot of them are like this. They were really pretty just a couple days ago. I think they should be fine. The weather's so questionable here. Okay, that's all for now.